Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. Yes, we are unboxing a Hot Wheels Premium, and this one is from one of my good friend Jayesh. So this is actually his car. So I do have this car in white color, which I bought, I don't know, maybe couple of months back. I think at least 3 4 months back if I'm not wrong. So when he bought this car, he told this color looked absolutely beautiful, and he wanted to. He actually asked me whether I can unbox it in my channel. So I told okay, because again, he is also like me. He opens everything. So it was really good to have this in the channel to unbox. Again, thank you, bro. Thank you, Jay. Thank you so much. And the color does look really nice. So I saw this in sale in a lot of Facebook pages, for somewhere around 1,000 rupees or so. So I was like, I do have a lot of Countach, this particular version, this 2022 Countach. So I do have in Tamika, I do have in what is that, Mini GT, I do have in um, Hot Wheels. What else? Yeah, I do have in Buburago, I think 1 is to 24 one. So I thought, okay, I don't want to buy another one of the same casting. So because, instead I will just buy some other Lamborghini. Okay, let's unbox this one and see how this one actually looks. So card is already bent. I'm not sure whether he is going to keep the card, but let me try not to damage furthermore. Okay, let me just put this card aside. Okay, so here it is. So the first impressions of this casting, it looks good. The paint job looks nice, but you can see some paint bubbling here in this part. And it has some engine detailing to it. I hope you guys can able to see it clearly. Let me just put a lot of light here. I'm hoping that you can able to see. Okay, good thing it has acrylic for headlights, because if they put just paint here, that surely would have looked shit. Okay, it is supposed to say Countach here. Let's see. It says something here, but definitely I don't think it is Countach. Okay, fine. So here it is saying Lamborghini Countach. Okay, it has tail light detail as well, which is really nice. So since it's a premium, it has full metal casting, like full metal body, full metal chassis, and rubber tires. So the rims looks really nice. See, one thing I really hate about Hot Wheels is, most of the castings they do like, big rear wheels. I don't know why they do that. So, but when it comes to either even a majorette, if you take a majorette casting, that will look really nice. Only thing about a majorette casting is, since most of the castings actually has suspension, it looks a little bit elevated compared to other brands like Tamika or Buburago. Even Buburago nowadays is doing a very beautiful job when it comes to 1/64 scale. It has interior detailing to it. It does have some scratches on the windshield as well. I don't know. See, the package is very tight. It is not moving inside at all. But I'm not sure why these things are getting scratched. So for main lines, I agree. It has a lot of space in between, so it will move up and down outside, and it gets scratched. But premiums won't have that much of space. But still, it see gets a lot of scratches. And for this, they are expecting us to pay an MRP of 549, and even like the scalpers are expecting us to pay 1,000 plus rupees. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, it's 5.1. So it's somewhere around that, the difference. There is a little bit of difference from the main lines. Some main lines are somewhere around like 4 grams, and this is like 5 grams, like 1 gram difference. That's it. But this is full metal. Okay, let's see. Let's do a roll test and see whether this how this one rolls. This rolls better than the Ford Bronco. I can give that credit. Okay, I think the front wheel has some kind of issue. I don't know if it wobbles or the shakes inside. You can see the front side, moving, jumping up and down. There's some kind of issue, maybe, not sure, but it doesn't look like a wheel wobble if you ask me. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.